of Flow Cytometry. Standard file contains cell analysis data straight from laboratory instruments, the raw results of cellular research. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and analyze these scientific data files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted FCS files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. FCS files store flow cytometry experiment data following the Flow Cytometry Standard format, defined by the International Society for Advancement of Cytometry. They contain cell measurement parameters, event data, and instrument metadata from laboratory analysis sessions. FCS files follow a standardized binary format with text header and data segments. They store list mode event data with parameters such as forward scatter, side scatter, and fluorescence intensities. Versions include FCS 2.0, 3.0, and 3.1 with increasing metadata support. Essential file access for FCS relies upon the utility FlowJo from Becton Dickinson and Company, BD. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows lacks full understanding of custom data formats, so proper reading requires dedicated tools. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the FCS file and choose Open With. Prioritize FlowJo if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If you still can't open the FCS file, it's okay. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your FCS file. First, opening the file. Download and install FlowJo from BD Biosciences or use the free-flowing software to open FCS files. Import the FCS file via File, then Open, and the software will automatically parse the parameter data and display scatter plots for your analysis. Next, analyzing data. Use gating tools in FlowJo or FCS Express to define cell populations by drawing gates on scatter plots and histograms. Export statistical summaries and population percentages for downstream reporting and publication quality figure generation. Finally, converting and exporting. Export FCS data to CSV format using FlowJo's export feature or the free FCS extract utility for analysis in Excel or R. Use the bioconductor FlowCore package in R for advanced programmatic analysis and batch processing of multiple FCS files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.